Alright guys, I want to show you another way that we can finish our sous vide acorn squash, okay? This could not be easier. So, I've already reheated the squash. You can either do that in the sous vide bag, or I just did it in the oven because I was cooking some other stuff. And so we are just going to scrape it out of the shell, get all that into the bowl. We're going to try our best not to get any of the peel, but you can see it's super soft. It just wants to peel right out of the skin. So super easy. All right, so we've got our squash out of the peel. We're gonna just give that a quick mash with our spoon. I'm not looking for a super smooth puree here. I'm okay with it having a little bit of texture, so I'm not gonna do this in the food processor or anything, but you can see how nicely that mashes, okay? We're gonna add a tablespoon of butter. And we're going to add a little bit of warm, heavy cream, okay? Now, I did warm this up ahead of time because I don't want the puree to cool below serving temperature since I already rethermed everything. So, I'm going to just get all that kind of mixed in. Let that butter melt in and do its job. Now, depending on how you are serving this, you can certainly add some sugar. Maple sugar would be really nice, coconut sugar. Lots of different options there. I'm going to serve it with some tenderloin, so I don't want to make it too sweet. I want it to have more of a savory edge, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in some granulated garlic and some salt. Maybe a little more. There we go. We got some white pepper here. And that, to me, looks awesome. So we're going to just let that last bit of butter melt, but you can see how just smooth and delicious this is going to be. I'm going to serve this, like I said, under some tenderloin, but this is great on its own. You can melt some marshmallows on top, do it for Thanksgiving. And really, you can use this type of recipe with any sort of squash. So a honey nut, a butternut, anything like that that has this sort of same texture is going to work really well. So that is our acorn squash puree, and I hope that you enjoyed it.